Hello Makkale, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are in a good state of health. Makkale, English is an easy language. உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் பேசணும்னு ஆசையாக இருந்தால் என்னோட அகாடமியில் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். For further information, ஸ்க்ரீனில் டிஸ்பிளே ஆகிற நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க.
Hi, beautiful morning.
Hello, fantastic morning. How may I help you today?
I need to open a second account.
What kind of account would you like to open?
I need another savings account.
Do you have another account with us?
Yes, I do have.
Would you like to transfer money from that account into your new one?
That's fine.
How much would you like to transfer?
I would like to transfer 5,000 rupees.
Give me a moment while I complete your transaction.
That's fine.
Everything is done. Is there anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Welcome. Makkale, I hope you enjoyed the session. I'll meet you in the next session. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.